Come here, Lucy.
Mimi. What?
She's not gonna talk to her. You gotta get her when she's like,
Mimi. What? Look at.
Did you get ready?
No idea. I'm just filming her.
Lucy's
Look at that pretty face.
What about, look at Lucy's face. Look.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy.
Here, stop tail movie.
What, shit? Oh, no. What, you want the sandwich? No. Okay, let me see. Let me see.
It's gonna be all like moving and blurry.
No, it's a good video. Mimi, let me see.
Who's the baby? Who's the baby? Lucy hungry? You want some, Lucy Lou? Aw.
You want some, Lucy? Hi,
Watch
Lucy.
out they don't get too close and start fighting.
I won't.
I would put the camera down and just focus on feeding them.
What should I do?
Put the camera down and focus on feeding them because they're going to start fighting.
What? What? What do you want? What do you... What else? What do you... Say something to make her.
Who's the baby? I'm going to eat you up. I'm going to eat you up. I'm going to eat you up.
What? What are you talking about?
What's the problem?
What are you talking about there?
She's saying, I'm starving. You're holding a sandwich in your hand. I'd like to have it now.
No, you don't yell at me. Are you yelling at me? Are you yelling at me?
Who's the baby? Who's the baby?
Oh, you're such a big mouth. You're such a big mouth. Yeah, you're getting tired from all that jabbering. You're getting tired from all that jabbering.
Jeff Lucy, though, and you're right. She might be getting a little upset because Lucy's moving in.
Okay. I'll turn it off.
Lucy's serious.
Another talker who talks all the time. When I'm sleeping, he comes in and shakes me like, are you awake?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to wake you at noon.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.